Hello friends! In this Excel video we will learn about the VLOOKUP function and what it really does. First, watch this on screen. I type office chair, press enter, and Excel instantly shows units sold and sales value automatically. Next I type product mouse and Excel pulls its respective details automatically. What's happening here is simple. VLOOKUP scans the product name column, finds the matching product in the main table here, and then fetches whatever value that we want it to return. For example, units sold, sales, cost, or profit, all based on the product name. VLOOKUP simply means vertical lookup, and it looks for a value in one column and returns the related value from a different specified column in the same row. You can download this free Excel template from the video description and practice along step by step. So let's start. The key column here is the product name. That will be our reference point for VLOOKUP. Now click the first cell under the units sold, type equals to VLOOKUP, hit the tab key. The first argument is the lookup value. Here we will select the cell containing the product name, such as office chair. This tells Excel what it needs to search for. Add a comma to move forward. Now Excel asks for the table array. Select the entire sales table, not just one column. At this point, the range is still flexible, which can break the formula when copied. To fix this, press F4 on the keyboard. Dollar signs appear around the range, locking it in place. This ensures Excel always looks at the same table even when formula is moved. Now add a comma. Excel now asks for the column index number. Count columns from left of the table. Product name is column 1. Units sold is column 2. So we enter 2, add a comma to continue. For accounting data, we need precision. Type 0 or false to force an exact match. This prevents Excel from guessing and returning the wrong row. Now close parenthesis and press enter. Excel instantly displays the correct unit sold value for the product. As you can see here, office chairs has 110 units sold. This is the first aha moment. One name, one formula, instant result. To apply the same logic to the remaining products, select this cell, double-click the fill handle. Excel copies the formula down and adjusts only the product name reference, as you can see here by viewing the formula. Right? Now here's where efficiency kicks in. Instead of writing a new formula, copy the entire unit sold column, paste it into the sales column. At first, the numbers are wrong. It's giving hash an error, and that is expected because the lookup value cells changed after we moved the formula. As you can see here, it's showing I5 instead of H5. Now edit the formula in the first cell, press F2 and change the lookup value from I5 to H5. Now change the column index number from 2 to 3 because sales is the third column in the main sales data table. Press enter and then copy the formula down. Now Excel automatically pulls the correct sales value for every product. One formula, 2 outputs, 0 repetition. You can double check it's giving the correct sales value for office chairs and other products. Right? Now here's a situation every accountant eventually faces, and it often arises when you are doing data analysis, and you might get wrong data. For example, if any of the product names are repeated in the table by mistake, in that case, what we can do is select this entire product column, go to conditional formatting, then highlight cells rule, and from there, select duplicate values and press OK. Now notice in our main table, the product mouse appears twice. One entry shows 400 units sold and another entry shows 90 units sold. Now look at the lookup table. For product mouse, Excel returns 400 units sold, not 90. Why? Because VLOOKUP always searches from top to bottom and stops at the first match it finds. Excel does not check context. Excel does not ask which mouse you meant. It simply picks the first mouse in the table. As VLOOKUP is live, if units sold or sales value changes in the main table, the results update instantly in the lookup table. For example, if I change the units sold against office chair, then notice it also changes here, and similarly, if I change sales value, then Excel updates that too, as you can see here. This is perfect for dashboards and reports that must stay current. Sometimes accountants need fixed numbers. To do this, first I will undo this, then select the result columns, press Ctrl C on the keyboard, and then right mouse click, and from here I will select paste values. This removes formulas and freezes the results permanently. That's how VLOOKUP turns a simple product name into instant accounting insights. Subscribe to Learn Accounting Pro Studio and hit the bell icon for more Excel formulas that save time, reduces errors, and make you faster at work. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.